Now we have blind, paralytics, wheelchairs, crutches.
Some kind of a facility whereby we wouldn't sit helpless by and watch our neighbors die.
They raise our rent, our food goes up, and we're back in the same position we were.
We're just being forgotten.
You know, someday somebody's going to write the history of these times, and I think it's going to be a pretty sad chapter when they write the story on the way we've treated our older people. And there isn't anything that we ought to want for ourselves and for our older people any more than that those later years can be years of confidence and some degree of security and decency. And I'm going to do everything I can to see that older people are treated decently. Well, I think we're going to make it. I hope you'll help me.
We all will.
McGovern, right from the start.